औज़ुबिल्लाहिमिनश्शैतानिर्रजीम बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम। प्यारे बच्चे और बच्चियों, अस्सलाम वालेकुम। आज का हमारा टॉपिक है एयर, क्लास 7, सब्जेक्ट सोशल साइंस। आवर अर्थ इज सराउंडेड बाय ए ह्यूज ब्लैंकेट ऑफ कोल्ड एटमॉस्फेयर। ऑल लिविंग बीइंग्स ऑन दिस अर्थ depends on the atmosphere for their survival. It provides us the air we breathe and protect us from the harmful effects of the sun rays. Without this blanket of protection, we would be baked alive by the heat of the sun during day and get frozen during night. So it is this mass of air that has made the temperature on the earth livable. Compositions of the earth atmosphere. Do you know that the air we take in while breathing is it actually a mixture of many gases? Nitrogen and oxygen are two gases which make up the bulk of the atmosphere. Carbon dioxide, helium, ozone, organs, and hydrogens are found in lesser quantities. Apart from these gases, tiny dust particles are also present in the air. The P chart gives you the percentage of the different constituents of air. Fig 4.1 constituent of air. Fig 4.1 Nitrogen is the most plentiful gas in the air. When we inhale, we take some amount of nitrogen into our lungs and exhaust it, but plants need nitrogen for their survival. They cannot take nitrogen directly from the air. Bacteria but live in the soil, and roots of some plants take nitrogen from the air and change its form so that plants can use it. Oxygen is the second most plentiful gas in the air. Humans and animals take oxygen from the air as they breathe. Green plants produce oxygen during photosynthesis. In this way, oxygen content in the air remain constant. If we cut trees, then this balance get disturbed. Carbon dioxide is another important gas. Green plants use carbon dioxide to make their food and release oxygen. Humans or animals release carbon dioxide. The amount of carbon dioxide released by human or animals seems to be equal to the amount used by the plants, which make a perfect balance. However, the balance is upset by burning of fuels such as coal and oil. They add billions of tons of carbon. Increased volume of carbon dioxide is affecting the Earth's weather and climate.